Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you our favorite pizza dough recipe. This comes together so fast and I just want to show you how quick I do this. First you start out with having your mixer, and I put 2 cups of flour in to start. And to that I'm going to add 2¼ teaspoons of yeast. I like to buy the bag of yeast and then I store it in these jars, and you can put them in your freezer and just pull out a little as you need it. Now I'm going to add 1½ teaspoons of sugar. This is a real handy tool to have, and I need the temperature of the water to be between 120 and 130 degrees. And then I'm going to add it to this mixture. After that, I want to add in 3 tablespoons of oil. And then I just like to mix it up and keep that mixer going. If you need to stop it to scrape the sides, I would do that, but other than that, this just does all the work for you. This dough is so easy to make and it's so delicious, and sometimes I just want half the dough and then I take the other half and put it in the freezer, and then you have dough ready to go whenever you want it. If you find that the dough is a little sticky, just add a little extra flour. Just be careful not to add too much. Just do a little bit at a time. And then once it is done, I take it out and I put it into my oiled bowl and I let it rise on the counter for about a half an hour. I like to take some wax paper spray it with some cooking spray, and then cover it before I let it set for the 30 minutes. This dough turns out perfect every time. It is such a great one. And here I am going to put it in my cast iron pan and make a pizza in the cast iron pan, which is so delicious. It's like a deep dish pizza. It's so good and so easy because once you put it in the pan, you don't have to worry. You just put it in the oven and it cooks beautifully. I always take a fork and just poke little holes in the dough. I think that helps it crisp up. We like everything on our pizza, so I do like to load it up with stuff. We used to order pizza all the time, and now we never do. We love the pizza made at home. I hope you give this recipe a try. It is such a fun one to make and so good. It's nice when it comes out every time. You don't have to worry. Thank you so much for watching, and at the end of this video I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them.